Welcome into the video. I'm your tech guide, Wayne. Today I want to show you how to unlock your Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra so you can use it with any carrier. The first thing you'll need to do is go to your phone app and make sure you're on the keypad. You're going to type in *#06 and pound. That's going to show you the IMEI. You'll need to write down the first number at the top here, IMEI 1. Next, hit the home button and go to Google Chrome to the website, theunlockingcompany.com, just to fill out a few prompts. Starting with the manufacturer, which is going to be Samsung. From there, the model is going to be the Galaxy, so go to Galaxy S. There's quite a few on the list here. Galaxy S23 Ultra. And then you're going to tap Unlock Phone. From here, you'll need to fill out a little bit more information. So the country you purchased the phone in, the carrier, which is going to be AT&T. They'll give you a price. You'll need to enter the IMEI of the phone here, and you can expect a response from the company between the time frame of 1 hour to about 72 hours. So just keep in mind that unlocking phones does vary depending on the carrier, the process, and it does change from time to time. So you should get a response in no later than 3 days with the final unlocking instructions. And once the phone is unlocked, you can then set it up to use it with any carrier you like. Obviously, you would add to cart, check out, pay, and then that would start the clock in terms of the delivery. Now, a couple of things I want to point out at the top of the website here. There's a couple of different methods you have to contact the company. So you have a toll-free number you can call, a number to text, an email address, and a WhatsApp number. So 4 different ways to contact the company to follow up in the event that the 3 days has passed and you still haven't gotten a response. The last thing you'll need to do is have your SIM card ready of the new service you'd like to use the phone with. Or if you're going to be using an eSIM, you'll want to look up that carrier and what their eSIM protocols are in terms of how to set up your phone. Hope you guys found that helpful. If it was, hit that like button down below. If you're not already a subscriber, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Take care, and as always, have a good one.